Why do many small business app developers fail? This question is asked many times by all of the small app developers. If you are one of them, this is what is likely going through your head. Did I not advertise enough? Is my application too buggy? These questions are very normal and can be easily solved if they follow these simple directions. Any big-time app maker should know these tips, and they usually will try to hide them as much as possible, but they are just hiding in plain sight. The general public knows about them, but the developers seem to just ignore it. You want to know the secret. The secret is the design and layout of your application. A lot of people like to have basic designs that are so basic that anybody can use it. When thinking about a design layout for your application, try to keep these questions in your mind. What should be the color scheme? Color scheme is so basic, yet so overlooked. Try to pick the color that fits the mood of your application. How can I make this look basic without making the user seem stupid? You don't want to make the user feel like a child, unless that is what your app is intended to do. Making everything so basic can sometimes be a bad thing and will get you bad reviews. How can I make the app respond faster? This is a key part of creating any kind of application. Making the app run faster typically involves removing moving pictures and removing some ads. Believe it or not, ads are what make websites and applications slower. The more you have, the slower it goes. If you don't have an app that runs fast, then you are going to have terrible reviews. These are all things that users of apps want, and if you don't give it to them, you are just going to be left in the ditch. Application developers need to have these topics in mind when creating apps, or they won't be getting anywhere. The best way to keep this stuff in mind is to make a list of all the things you want to remember. Once you have that list, you will be able to base all of your applications off of that and be able to create many new applications. That is how most of the major companies in the application development business are able to get so many new and returning customers to buy their application. It is also how these companies are able to produce so many applications.